friends, welcome back. In this tutorial we will study about session layer. The session layer is the fifth layer of OSI model. Now this session layer is the network dialog controller. It is responsible for dialog control and synchronization, right? So it is responsible for dialog control, right? So what happens, it allows two systems to enter into a dialogue, right? It allows the communication between two processes to take place in either half duplex or full duplex mode, right? So another responsibility of session layer is synchronization, right? So in this case what happens, this session layer allows a process to add checkpoints or synchronization points to a stream of data. So suppose there is a system, right? And this system is sending a file of 2000 pages, right? And suppose the checkpoints are inserted after 100 pages, right? Then what will happen, each 100 page unit will be received and acknowledged independently, right? Now see, what is the advantage of it? Now suppose if a crash happens at during the transmission of page 523, right? Then after system recovery, pages 501 to 523 are need to be resent, right? Only the pages 501 to 523 are need to be resent, right? Pages 1 to 500, they don't need to be resent, right? They don't need to be resent after system recovery, right? Because checkpoints are inserted after 100 pages, right? So the pages 1 to 500, they form 500 page units which were received and acknowledged independently. So what happens if a crash happens at during the transmission of a page 523, then after system recovery, pages 501 to 523 are need to be resent only. Pages 1 to 500, they don't need to be resent, right? So this session layer is responsible for dialog control and synchronization. So in synchronization what happens, in this case it allows a process to add checkpoints or synchronization points to a stream of data, right?